We're at Cummins Ferry Campground in Salvisa, Kentucky. Not sure how you pronounce that, but it's S-A-L-V-I-S-A, Kentucky. It's a gated campground. There's the outside of the office. Here's the pool area, which it's shut down right now. They're draining it because of fall, winter coming. There's Stacy. They have a kids' playground. Have kayaks, have a boat ramp. It's right here on the Kentucky River. Real nice scenery. Go over and sit down, hang out, and watch the river. But we'll get you a little bit of footage of the campground here. I don't know if I'd call this a review or not. We'll just show you what's here and what's not. And you can review it yourself. I'm pretty picky when it comes to campgrounds, so I don't want to nitpick anything to death. It's a one-way loop with sites all the way around the outside and pull-through sites in the middle. Have concrete parking pads, concrete patios, and some of the sites are blacktop on the edges, not very many, but all the pull-throughs in the center are blacktop. Every site has a fire ring with rock around it. They do sell wood at the general store, have all kinds of general merchandise, some food, different things, you know, for your camper, trinkets, just all kinds of little different stuff. Stacy will get a little footage in there. There's our toy hauler set up. Several full-timers I've noticed here. And I've noticed some of them are workers, people that are staying up here and driving back and forth to work. That's good, it's fine. I see a lot of campers from different states in here. I mean, I see Utah, New York, so they do have hiking trails. They have one up through the woods up on the upper side, and on the lower side they have one that goes down by the river. They do allow golf carts. I didn't check the details, but I think you have to have insurance on them. Of course, register them at the office. Not a bad place. Like I said again, this is not really a review. We're just letting you see it and giving you the details, and you decide for yourself. Not real bad to get into. Come off Highway 127, about, I don't know, 6-7 miles south of the Cumberland, or the Bluegrass, sorry about that, the Bluegrass Parkway. You turn left on Highway 1988. Just stay on it till it goes into a little one-lane county road for about 1.5 miles. You come off over a pretty good grade and you're down here in the holler. Like I said, they got several full-timers. You can tell which ones those are. That's the U-turn area for the circle. There is a few sites on in here at the end. Back down through there. It's filling up. I think Stacy checked by tomorrow night. It's going to be pretty well full in here. But the river runs all the way down this edge. I can't remember for sure. It might show on the brochure when Stacy inserts pictures of it. There's somewhere around 90 sites down here. They do have a little pavilion up at the end where during the summer months they have some different things going on, live music, potluck meals, different things. Like I said earlier, you can rent kayaks. They got a few things to do down here. You're into some of that kind of stuff. Windy today.
Love camping.
I think they have some primitive camping up toward the end, or not toward the end, but toward on the other side of the office at the entrance. They got a little marina sitting down there on the river. Yeah, this is a nice site right here, Stacy said. There's a little marina right down here. It's kind of older. Don't look like it gets used much, but it's still there. Get you a little footage of a men's share house. Actually, for a big campground as this is, it's kind of small. 2 sinks, 1 urinal, 1 toilet, and 3 showers. And again, I'm not trying to nitpick or really review, but I would expect a little more for a place this big and considered to be a resort. So I'm not really impressed by that. There's the waterfall across the river. Of course, it's not falling a lot. Kind of dry in Kentucky right now. Little seating area and a fire bowl. I think that's some kind of dog walk area down through there. Down that way is their pavilion. Some primitive camping. Some overflow parking. They do have some overflow parking beside the pool also, because there's only room to park 1 vehicle at the campsite. Again, this is Cummins Ferry. It's Louisa, Kentucky. Probably not pronouncing it right, but alright, we go into the office here. And then the laundry room. They fill propane, sell ice, firewood, kayak rentals. Have events throughout the year.
Does it say how many sites?
primitive sites. We don't have very many. I can't remember, 8, 9, something like that. But they do have water and a plug. And that's actually kind of handy too. Run a fan or a heater and a tent, whatever you need. Right on the river here. And like I said, it is gated. These gentlemen are working on the gate right now. I had an issue with one of them. We're going to wrap this one up right here, and Stacy will be putting some of her still photos here at the end of the video. And until the next time.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun camping. Thanks everyone. Bye.